The first time Elias entered the gray house, he felt a strange sense of calm wash over him. It wasn't the kind of peace that comes from an absence of noise, but a stillness born from a lack of visual clutter. Every surface, from the concrete floors to the textured walls, was a different shade of gray. He expected it to feel cold and sterile, like a laboratory, but instead, the house felt surprisingly warm and inviting. The architects hadn't just used a single color, they'd explored the full spectrum of a single hue, creating a subtle symphony of light and shadow. A soft gray sofa sat against a darker, charcoal wall, its plush fabric a stark contrast to the hard, smooth surfaces of the monolithic stainless steel cabinets in the kitchen. The muted finishes of the industrial elements didn't jar the eye but instead created a quiet conversation with the space around them, their materiality both contrasting and complementing the surrounding canvas. As he walked through the house, Elias began to see it not just as a place to live, but as a work of art. It was a testament to the power of restraint, a quiet rebellion against a world that constantly demanded more. The house didn't shout for attention, it whispered, inviting him to slow down and truly see. The large windows, framed by the gray interior, transformed the surrounding Dalesford greenery into living paintings. The trees, with their vibrant greens and browns, seemed more vivid, more alive, when viewed through the filter of the monochromatic space. This wasn't just a house, it was a frame, a deliberate choice to let the natural world outside be the star of the show. Living in the gray house changed Elias. He found himself more attuned to the subtle shifts in light throughout the day, the way a cloud passing by could transform the mood of a room. The minimalist design forced him to be intentional about what he brought into the space. Every object had to earn its place, and the result was a home that felt curated and deliberate, not just decorated. The architects had created a space that was both a sanctuary and a challenge, a sanctuary from the sensory overload of the outside world and a challenge to find depth and beauty in simplicity. It was in this quiet, gray world that Elias finally understood that sometimes the most profound statements are made not by what we add, but by what we choose to leave out.